nice and dark and early because the sun never rises anymore. Hitting the road today. Next stop, New York City.
2 days after graduating from college, I drove to New York and gave myself a week to find an apartment. On the second day, I ended up getting a place in Brooklyn. After that, I went back home for Christmas, said goodbye to my beautiful mountain town, and started packing everything for the move. My brother and I drove a U-Haul back up the East Coast and spent the weekend settling me into my new home. It was his first time in the city, and we only had like 3 hours of free time, so I gave him the fastest tour of Manhattan that anyone has probably ever done. I've always wanted to live in a big city, and after visiting New York for the first time in 2014, I became obsessed. The energy here is unlike any other place I've been, and I couldn't stay away. I'm fascinated by all the skyscrapers and the millions of people taking part in the hustle. I made 10 trips here over the years before finally moving, running around the city, making videos and exploring, drinking coffee, even spending time with friends and showing them around. I'll miss Boone and driving the Blue Ridge Parkway and living in the mountains. More than anything, I'll miss my friends. But I am unbelievably excited for this new adventure.
Welcome to my apartment rooftop, which has an incredible view of Manhattan. Empire State Building. World Trade Center over here. This is something I've been thinking about for years, at least 5-ish, somewhere around there. Used up all of my absences last semester in college because I spent a little bit too much time here. Gonna commemorate this moment with a little disposable camera action. So I've lived here for about a month now. Doesn't quite seem real yet. It's still sinking in. Why is it so loud all of a sudden? Alright, it's cold, I'm hungry, and I need to go make pasta. I'm gonna try to do a lot more of this year, so see you soon. Ugh, my face doesn't want to move, it's cold.